Hello beautiful people, it's Sherry Moulton back with another video. Happy Sunday. I am doing something that two people requested. My cousin, I'm doing one of these, but I'm doing it in gold and rose gold. I had somebody request on my page to do one with gold. So this is the Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. Sorry you guys. And this one is a Folkart. They're both Folkart. Folkart Brushed metal. This one is called Brushed Rose Gold. I was so upset. I don't know if you can still see it. It's still... It took 4 coats of paint on either side. Both of them. So I started the video yesterday and I got discouraged, so it was like any hoodles. So I thought I'd pick it up where it's already painted, and that would be that. So the colors that I did, like I said, were the two Artist Loft, or oh, one's DecoArt and one is Folkart. DecoArt Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. The other one is Folkart. It is brushed rose gold. And I'm using my 2-part epoxy resin. It is Envirotex, and I am also using some glitters. This is, I found this one at Walmart. It is champagne, so I'm hoping it will go nice. It's kind of like a pinky, and I'm using Martha Stewart. Love her glitters. This one is the fine glitter. It's Smokey quartz. And this one is the chunky glitter, and it is florentine gold. And for my glass, I am using the decorative filler that I get from Michael's. I call it broken glass. Well, to me it's broken glass. And that is what it is. And this one is gold. So with that, I will proceed. I just want to put the lid on this so when I do shake it out, it isn't going to be everywhere. All right. So we are going to, I had mistakenly, I don't know if you can see, there's a piece there of, I didn't do it quite half. So I'm going to go below the gold line with my resin. And you don't want to go right to the edge because you do not want the resin dripping off of the canvas. And I've had other people ask me if they can use other things other than resin to adhere this. You could take the time and use E6000 or E6000, but you know what? You're going to have to place each piece individually. So it's whatever you would like to do. I'm a quick, let's get her done kind of girl, so I tend to like to find the quickest thing. I'm looking for my torch and it's probably right in front of my eyes. There you go. Just do a quick little, not like I really need to do it at the moment. All right. So again, remember, I'm gonna go below. Just bring it to the edge. And I'm bringing it down more because I didn't quite do that evenly when it came to the painting. All right. So we get a nice, even base. And again, remember, don't go all the way to the edge. You don't want it to go off. Now, I usually just go up and down. Don't want a blob there, so. And I get sometimes where you want it to stay even. I get going fast and then it goes off kilter. And I like to do quite a bit jaggy in the middle. Down, down, and I'm gonna rub the edge because I do not want it off. Rub that edge. And you judge if you want it to come down further, then you can make it come down further. But I think, I'm just going to tilt it my way just a sec. I think that looks good to me, where I would like it to be. So with that, I am going to get out my glass and just start. I go heavy down the center. And this, I'll have to pull out the other colors to show you, but when it comes to this, the gold, the color, it's so big. It almost looks like, you know how when your car window breaks or something. It's huge. So yes, if my cousin Susan wants this, this is just playing around, so you do not have to feel obligated, but I had you in mind when I was doing it. And again, some of this is going to shake off, so I'm going heavy, but I have jars of this with the different glitters in the glass that I have shaken off. I added glass and glitter to my pour. I will show you it tomorrow when I reveal this after I leave it set overnight. But I did my my swipe the other day, and it was I did this on top, so I was trying to combine the two, so that might be another video. Again, I just want to make sure there's glass on the top, so like I said, it is going to come off, but I want to make sure that there's enough on there. I'd rather do it once than not have any. And I'm just going to give it a little bit of a push. I'm hoping there's not a definite line, because there, a little more in here, up there. It's hard to see where I've got the resin on the gold. There we go. I think that looks good for now. Do some of this champagne glitter. Oh my goodness, it's not open. Let me just pop the... There we go. Whoops. Holy moly. That was hard. There we go. And I hope it doesn't come out like crazy. Okay. Here we go. It's hard to... I try not to get like one blob, but it's hard sometimes. So you gotta do an even little shake all over. And because there is quite a transition, I'm going to do a little bit of a heavier right on that little bit of a line so you don't see the difference. There you go. Kind of covers up some of the holes a little bit. Woo! I love the glitter, but it's everywhere. And here we go with the gold fine. And this, I guess I'm gonna go this way. I have to get a big bottle of the Recollections glitter in the gold because I really don't do much with gold. I'm a silver person, so it's nice to put the glitter on the corresponding, like have the gold glitter down here. So you can see it a little bit better. There we go. And I think I'll do some chunky. And then we are finished until tomorrow with the reveal. And again, any of these are for sale if you want to give me an email. My email is smolten1267@gmail.com. I'm pretty sure I don't use that email very often, but that's the one linked to my page. So I will put it in the description box. So if you are interested in anything that I make, I am willing for a price. Joke, of course. All right, so with that, I'm gonna leave it sit overnight. I will give it a shake in the morning. I usually brush it off with a fine brush. And I'll do a little show and tell with my other painting that I did yesterday. It turned out amazing. So, all right, with that, I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, good morning, we're back. Let's shake this off, my friends. I'm just gonna bring it back. And there is quite a bit that falls off. Just give it a good little shake. And just use a cheapy old brush. Try and get you. And I usually try and brush down into the... I love this, like I said, this glitter glass is... Here, I'm going to bring you up for this process. And that's all I do. This is why I like the resin. Just give it a few good shakes. And then all the stuff that's left here, I pick up. Like, oh my goodness. I can't believe how chunky this is. Look at this piece. Can you see? I don't know if you can see it. Where did it go? Like, look how far up that... Oh, it just fell off. That is crazy. That is crazy. Let me see. I don't want you to get my face in there because I'm not beauty ready today. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Now I'm going to bring it back down. Now, as I was saying, so that is beautiful. So there you go. Susan Boudreau, if you want to, let me know. My lovely cousin. Now, see with this, I'm just gonna shake it all up, put it in my container, and then I'll have this to use next time. So, I did my, now let me just grab the other one. I did a couple of swipes. I think that is my last video that I have. Is the aqua colored swipe. So this is the one This one is the 16-inch, and it's got one coat of varnish, which is nice. I don't have a lot of varnish left, so I don't want to coat anything. But in my head, I'm like, oh my goodness, why would I not combine? So this is what I did with another one. I was like, let me bring it, I don't know why this is, so is that not gorgeous? So you can hang it this way, or you can hang it the traditional way. But I did the broken glass down the center where I did the balloon smash. Amazing. Then I wanted to try something else, so I did this one. It is a swipe. I did silver on the top like I normally would do with the other ones, but the bottom half I did a swipe. Now the other swipe, when I poured my paints, I did them randomly. They're all over. Now this one I specifically wanted stripes, so I took the time and put all my colors straight in a line and then did my swipe. So, because I wanted it to be, yeah, so that's kind of cool. I was impressed. Very cool. It's just so glittery. Anyways, so there you go. Hope you enjoyed. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Hit that like button, like the video, and throw a comment in there. Let me know what you think. And hit the bell to get some notifications when I put my next video up. Hope you all have a wonderful Monday. Bye. So you were outside. I thought I'd hang it up on my hook outside to let you see all this glitter. It's like mirrors. There you go. Bye.